don't make money, it don't make sense.
The money, dollar bill, yo. Cash rules everything around me. Cream, get the money.
Okay, let's talk about Bitcoin. It's facing a seriously weird contradiction, a real billion-dollar question. So get this, the world's biggest crypto has plunged more than 40% from its all-time high. Yeah, that's over $1 trillion in market cap, just vanished. And the dip buyers? They're gone. But here's the huge contradiction, because by all other measures, Bitcoin has never been more successful.
I mean, it got everything it ever wanted. Washington is playing ball, and Wall Street is all in.
President Trump is also taking a victory lap today, signing into law the first ever major federal cryptocurrency legislation. It was passed by the House yesterday and the Senate earlier this week with broad bipartisan support. The so-called Genius Act has been a key priority for the president, once a crypto skeptic who now bills himself as the most pro-crypto commander-in-chief in history and whose
Its value was built on 3 core stories. And right now, every single one is starting to crack. All right, narrative number 1, and you've definitely heard this. Bitcoin is digital gold, a hedge against chaos. But look what happened. Amid global chaos, actual gold rallied. Bitcoin, it just went down. And the money flows tell the whole story. Investors picked the classic safe haven, not the new one. So the verdict from Wall Street? The digital gold story just isn't matching up with reality. Simple as that. Okay, so if it's not digital gold, what about using it to, actually buy stuff? Well, its main rival here is the stablecoin, which is way faster and getting regulatory love. I mean, even the biggest believers like Jack Dorsey have pivoted their companies towards stablecoins.
Well, a stablecoin is a type of cryptocurrency designed to do one thing: stay stable. Most are pegged one-to-one to real-world currency, usually the US dollar. So one stablecoin equals $1. It doesn't go up or down like Bitcoin or many other crypto assets. It's designed to stay put. That's the whole idea. So why would you want that? Because when you want to use crypto to send money, to buy something, or even to hold value, you don't always want price swings or volatility. Stablecoins are like the digital version of cash, but faster, more flexible, and available 24/7.
So what about its original home turf? Its role is the ultimate speculative playground. While new kids on the block like prediction markets are siphoning off all that speculative energy. That rush that fueled crypto's big rise, it didn't disappear. It just found a new home. And ironically, the very Wall Street success that was supposed to save Bitcoin may have trapped it.
So I think the big news of the year for crypto, outside of the all-time highs that we saw in March, are the launch of the spot Bitcoin ETFs. Really, it's just been met with these blockbuster, flows, a lot of institutions coming into the space.
There's a hidden danger. Its price is still tied to these wild, high-leverage offshore markets.
Let's be real, Bitcoin has survived stuff that should have killed it. Exchange collapses, government bans, you name it.
The bull case is pretty simple. It's still the most liquid, has the best exchange coverage, and it's survived everything. So the bull case isn't that the narratives are perfect, it's that they're just durable enough to survive. But here's the thing, just surviving isn't the same as actually being relevant, right? So maybe the real threat isn't one big crash, but just a slow, quiet drift into total irrelevance.